The Committee on Environment Belatung the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly mentagasi kalarai ban kerjaan yang jeng pakhang no chwa ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board yaki khatsantli ki karkhana Sankok ki badan Hawes Khas Hills District. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor chairman ke committee ba sentar kelas sun ulai tho bahkan karai ke long hadin ba ke committee kelalap babun nekini ki karkhana kela troikam klem jingbet na ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board pada ulai tho pana kaliang ke board kalaparu daki notice syakite ki karkhana ban khangno namar ke jing troikam klem jingbet perkene ke jing pakhang yikite ki karkhana dei ban le diki board penya jong district pada ban khang yikini ki karkhana hapo khat sausi tado palapa yaki notice ubasun ulong baka committee ka kershan ya karaj ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban pakhang yekite ki karkhana bad kuntu yiki board penya district ban pakhang yekite ki karkhana kok na marga kata ya kamaryang kainru yiki kendon an ban yada naga jing pinjabo ya ko bajek le air saudok udkhot ka committee ba Himalaya shangplyang ulong bakani ke jingrai ban pakhang ka long namar baki karkhana kimshim na yo jingbet nagi bor sarkar ende kilami kum kitet ban troikam claim ke jingbet khamtam hitan shalang but kawai nagishnong ka blatep kum ka rangre ka badai gishnong ka badang jirngam bad dakani ke jingdon jongkini ki karkhana bean kan sapunjot ya ka maryang hakte gishnong ka badai bandang penne pensa Katkum ke jinglap jong ke committee ki don lightly ki karkhana bela pinbyang ki kot kisla par ki blayo jingbet na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kata ka Shempang Industries Rilingam Coke Factory but ka Carbochem Private Limited.
These considered illegal construction of coke factories need to be closed down and dismantled because they have not been given clearance by any authority of the government. So since any authority of the government has not given clearance, the State Pollution Board, as per the law mandated and empowered to them, they have issued closure of all these illegal coke factories in the Shalang area. More so, this location of these coke factories have been mushroomed in one particular area called Dorangiri. Now this Dorangiri is a village which is very green, and the green belt of this area is in great danger. The committee observed very strongly and very seriously about the future of this whole green belt. The biodiversity of this whole area will be totally destroyed by the existence of these illegal coke factories. This committee will go strictly and endorse the decision taken by the State Pollution Control Board, and it endorses and supports whatever decision taken by the State Control Board, and hence has given 2 weeks time to the Deputy Commissioner and the District Administration of West Khas Hills to ensure that the notice issued by the State Pollution Board is complied in letter and spirit.
And then after they have established, they will seek the consent to operate. And that consent to operate also has to come from the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. But these coke factories, most of them, they have established illegally, they have operated illegally, without the consent of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. So, since they have violated the Act, the Air and Water Act, as per the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, the Pollution Control Board has served a notice to them for closure. And this notice for closure is to be implemented by the district administration within 14 days. So the committee has endorsed the closure notice of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board for closure of these illegal coke industry to be shut down by the district administration within a period of 14 days.
Officially, kumba ki labet ki kot kisla jong ki coke factory ki datang lightly kumba laong I chairman mene kata kade jong ka Shempang Industries kawai Rilingam Coke Factory but ka Carbochem Private Limited. Tangki nilai kidai kita ki factory ki balabyang ya ki kot kisla ki belayo ya clearance na ka State Pollution Board. Light na kita baro ki dei ki factory ki bom don katsla lani ki dei ki factory ki bom biang ki kot kisla. Data.